And those three are starting their crawling up the hill. Alam mo, so yung mga batang yun, saan sila dumaan? Tingnan mo, oh, may family doon na may mga bata. Saan kaya sila dumaan? Ayun, oh, yung apat na yun. Come on guys, you're not moving. Chop chop, man.
Belinda, I think it's better to stay here.
Remus, I already see you up here.
Yeah, Gemma told me that you're up.
What happened? You just laid down.
That's Ludi, just holding on to the tree. And behind is Faye. And the other one over there is Remus.
You can't go there, it's too steep.
Oh,
Sige, baka na kayo. Sige.
gusto niya rin gigayahin ako. I've been there, don't worry. You can do it.
Yeah, actually you can do it. Do it. Trust me, it's too steep here.
That's how. This
must be careful.
this place
Be careful
suggests.
here.
Just hold on to the roots. This place have been suggested by this woman who doesn't even look how to go down. And see, that's how that's how Remus come up. You want a helping hand? If
You made it.
What are you doing? You're like a monkey.
Uy, kapit lang ha. Tumatawa kami dito pero hindi namin magugustuhan kung bumalik kayo sa baba.
Sabi siguro, at least si Oli, may savior tayo. Tayo nakakita.
It's like, oh my gosh, this will not be happening again.